Hola, soy Susie, and today I decided to make this video for you. If you are a beginner in stamping, nail stamping, I think you're gonna like this kit. So this kit is by the brand Pueen, and you have a plate and with 12 designs. It's a very good kit, very good quality. So let me show you what is inside. First we have a card with some instructions. We have 6 steps to follow. I'm going to show you in a moment how this works. And then we have the plate. Let me show you the designs because I think they're very pretty. They're gorgeous. I just love them. I love the animal print, the hearts. I love the lace here. Actually, I have it in my thumb here. Look. So yeah, we have 12, and let me tell you something about the plate. Every plate, stamping plate you are gonna get, it comes with a film, this blue film. So you have to remove this before you start stamping. This is just to protect the plate when it's brand new. But I already used the plate on my nail, so yeah, this is very important. Just remove the film and you're good to go. Then you have a scraping card, this, and you have 2 stamping polish, white and black, super intense. And the last item is this stamper, rubber stamper. This is squishy and it is sticky. So how do you clean your stamper after transfer your images? Very easy. You just have to use a roller, sticky roller, or scotch tape. That's it. So just clean it like this, roll it, and you're good. Okay? Do not clean it. Don't clean this with acetone or nail polish remover because you're going to ruin it. So that's very important. Okay, now let me swatch this for you and you'll see how it works. Okay guys, now I have my plate in position. I have some towel papers to clean the excess of stamping polish. The only thing I recommend you is to have everything handy, because you need to work fast. If you don't work fast, your stamping polish might dry and then you won't get the image complete. I mean, you don't have to, you have enough time to put it on your nail, so don't get scared. So, but it's a good advice to have everything ready to go. I have my nail polish, the stamping polish here open, the acetone, I have my stamper, my cotton to clean, and my scraping card and my sticky roller. Okay, all right, let's start with the black, and I'm gonna do, let me get closer here for you so that you can see. I'm going to do this one here. I like this a lot. So we put some stamping polish, gently swipe and pick up with the stamper. You see? Crispy and clean. And then we stamp. Alright. We clean the stamper with the sticky roller and we do it again. Now we'll do the zebra. Alright. Gently swipe and pick up. There's your image here and stamp. You see, it's really good. The image are crispy. I like that. All right, and then I'm gonna show you another. Let's do this. The chevron design. Okay. Gently swipe. Pick up. There's your image. See, it's perfect. Every time it's perfect. All right, let's do the white stamping polish, and I'm gonna start with the hearts. That's pretty. All right, so we have the scraping crab here. We swipe, pick up, and there you have your image. Perfect every time, and we stamp it. Okay, then let's do the lace one here. another. Okay, let's do this one with the letters. Love. Okay. Swipe. Pick up. That's your design, and we stamp. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Okay guys, these are the designs. Very pretty, I love them. I think the plate is very well edged. The images are very nice. I don't have any problems stamping with this brand. So I highly recommend you this starter kit by Pueen. You have everything. In this box you have everything you need to start stamping, so it's very good for beginners. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. I am not an expert on nail stamping, but I love stamping my nails. I think this is a nice hobby, and I think it's fun. And so yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm gonna put all the nail polishes that I use in the box description, the link in the box. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye.